This is how to save screenshots onto Clipboard on your Android phone. So let's get started. So this will work if you have Google Keyboard as your default keyboard. So it should look something like this. And once you have this, we then have to head over to Settings. Once you're in Settings, just search for Keyboard. After that, click on Manage Keyboards. And then just click on Gboard. So it will be called Gboard or Google Keyboard. And here, scroll down and you'll find an option called Clipboard. Select it, and you can see the last option that's currently disabled is Save Recent Screenshots in Clipboard. So now I can enable it, and here they're asking for permission, and now it's done. So let's try it out. So let's say I take a screenshot of this page. So I took a screenshot, and let's see if I can access it. As you can see, the option to paste the screenshot is here, but if I want to access it from Clipboard, I can just click on this icon, then click on Clipboard, and here I can see the screenshot has come. And if I click on it, it's gotten pasted. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.